Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do our little unboxing. I finally got my Lunar Beauty Mercury box. I haven't seen anyone do the Mercury box. First, we got a 4-piece brush set. I don't have any of his brushes, so I'm really excited about that. So I got a 4-piece brush set from Lunar Beauty. Ooh, this is his, oh, it's the contour brush. The contour and, ooh, feel it. What do you think? It's a double-sided brush. It is the LB, I guess it's just the 2-sided brush. And then I got the, ooh, I love these. Like a shader. It is the, ooh, look at that, it's so cool. It's the LBE 5, so Lunar Beauty Eye 5. And then, oh yeah, yeah. That's what I like. The LBE 1. And then, oh, I love this for my inner corner. The LBE 7. And then, what palette is it? Ooh, look at the cute tissue paper, little hearts. And it has a little gold LB. I didn't rip it. Yeah. Ooh, I wonder what it is. Okay, Moonspell 2, which he actually got me the Moonspell 1. So I can put them together.
That's awesome.
Yeah. You said you liked the packaging.
Yeah, this one's cool.
It was pretty. This is his, by the way, it's from his Halloween release. So this is a new palette. Like, look at that. It's pretty cool. So,
it's got some cool purples. I love your purples.
I know. And then the reds. What do you think? And they're all like witches and stuff, just like his other one. Remember?
Yeah, I like it.
So, okay, and then we have, I believe these are 2 lip products. This wasn't everybody's box. The mystery. This is the box exclusive. Ooh, it's pretty. It has like gold in it, like lip gloss. And then I love the little charm. That's so pretty. And then, ooh, even his packaging. I know you don't care about packaging, but. Oh my god! His liquid lipstick in perfection. This is what I wanted. Yeah, this is the perfect nude. Ooh, like, isn't his packaging cool? Look.
I like it. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So, that's all. That's what I got. The Moonspell 2, Volume 2. His Perfection liquid lipstick. Mystery lip gloss, and then I got 4 eye brushes. So I think it's a pretty good deal for $50.
Yeah, it's not bad, and you're happy.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, love you.
This
This was one of my Valentine's Day presents and the Nomad Cosmetics palette, so he did pretty good. And we're gonna make homemade sushi together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.